Hey, sweetheart. How's work? Long day? That's okay. You can just forget about everything and come and snuggle with me by the fire. Come on now. Let's put that stuff down and let me just take that coat. There you are. Such a handsome boy. Oh, hush. You know you like that kind of talk. But anyway, come on. Come snuggle with me on the floor. Come snuggle into my chest, or my tummy, or I don't know. Just snuggle with me. I'm not really picky about where. There you go. Comfy. Good. I love you so much. I really do. And I don't think I say it enough, despite me saying it at least 10,000 times a day. But the point still stands. I love you. I'm so happy that you're in my life and that you love me for who I am. Honestly, you make me smile every day. You're always there to pick me up when I'm feeling down. You're the sweetest man I ever met, and to say that you're special to me, well, that would be an understatement. Speaking of things I love about you, I love how you're so accepting. I don't think I ever met a person besides you who would consider dating someone with my, let's just say unique anatomy. And believe me, I've tried dating other people. They always just have this nervous feeling when they're around me, which is, well, it's disheartening. But you, on the other hand, you have no problem being around me. And honestly, I wish more people were like you. Oh, I also love your cooking. I know you don't get a chance to do it often with work and all, but when you do, it's always a treat. Shush. Your cooking is amazing. I will not tolerate any negative self-talk in this household, and especially not in my snuggly grass. Do you hear me, mister? Good. You want to braid my hair and my tail? Sure, go ahead. I never thought you were into that kind of thing. This is new, but I'll be lying if I said I didn't like it. Here, let me roll onto my knees so you can sit on my back and do it. There you go. Now then, I'm curious what's all this about. You want to show your love for me. Oh, honey, that's really sweet of you. Honestly, though, you didn't need to do this to prove that you love me. I already know. Between the kisses when you leave to go to work and the tackle hugs that you give me when you get back most days, I know more than anyone else that you love me more than anyone else in this world. But I'll still take you up on this offer because I do love having my hair and tail in braids. Where did you even learn how to do this? Well, that explains the YouTube recommended section on our TV. Huh? Done already? Take a picture. I want to see how it looks. Oh, oh, wow. Y'all are actually really good at this. You said you also want to do my tail, right? Yeah, no, go ahead. Seeing what you did to my hair, I trust you back there. Oh, wow, you're really fast at this. Oh, no need for another picture. After the last braids, I'm confident that whatever you did back there, it looks amazing. Hey, do you want to just cuddle and fall asleep for a little while? I have dinner keeping warm in the oven. We can have it when we wake up. Yeah? Good. Come on, lay back on my chest. I love you, baby. Thanks for listening, disciples. Commissions are now open. Be sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell. Check out the links in the description for more updates. Do come back to the Temple of Night for more fantasies.